Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly expanding field of technology that has the potential to transform virtually all industries and aspects of human life. AI refers to machines designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as perception, reasoning, learning, decision-making, and natural language processing. There are numerous ways in which artificial intelligence can help people across multiple domains. One of the most significant applications of AI is in healthcare. AI-powered medical tools have revolutionized diagnostics by offering faster and more accurate diagnoses than traditional methods. For example, radiologists use AI algorithms to examine scans such as X-rays or MRIs with higher ease and efficiency while providing better results for patients. Additionally, diagnostic chatbots powered with natural language processing technologies can assist patients quickly determine their symptoms out at home without visiting hospitals. With these innovations, mainly during emergencies, gives access for high-quality care irrespective of being off geographic locations. In education systems, through machine learning techniques, teachers can adapt lessons based on students' strengths reflected from progress made within assignments customized solely depending upon student-machine interactions. A promising application of AI is personalized artificial intelligence. AI refers to the capability of machines or computer systems to perform tasks that would require human intelligence, such as reasoning, problem-solving, and learning. AI is a rapidly growing field that is being applied in various industries to help automate tasks and enhance efficiency. In this essay, we will discuss how AI assists people. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a field of computer science that has been rapidly growing and evolving over the last few decades. The technology involves programming machines to simulate human intelligence processes such as learning, reasoning, and self-correction. AI systems have proven their potential in supporting people across various industries by automating tasks, streamlining processes, and enhancing decision-making. One significant way artificial intelligence helps people is through providing assistance with monotonous or dangerous jobs. These can include firefighting operations, mining work sites, agriculture industry, among others. By doing these jobs more efficiently than humans could alone, or by completely taking over them from people instead. Artificial intelligence also enables extensive use of chatbots on customer support platforms, helping individuals obtain instant solutions to common issues without having to wait for long periods usually associated with manual customer service system. Furthermore, medical facilities have adopted imaging technologies encompassed under AI-powered tools which help medical professionals make swift, accurate diagnosis while providing patients high-quality care. Such advancements include many possibilities like personalized medication delivery based on complex patient data mapping strategies, contributing significantly in treating chronic diseases like cancer, amongst other top health concerns around the world. In addition to that, artificial intelligence has been applied within sectors where it is vital in identifying trends as well as patterns for any probable occurrence, be it fraudulent activities. Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an integral part of our lives and daily activities. From virtual assistants, self-driving cars to healthcare, AI has the ability to help us in many ways. One of the most important advantages that artificial intelligence offers is its immense potential to simplify and automate complicated tasks. One of the primary uses of artificial intelligence is providing assistance to people with disabilities.